The yellow check engine light is a terrifying symbol on your dashboard. It makes you think of expensive repair bills. But that tiny light is just a simple warning system trying to communicate directly with you. You do not need to pay a mechanic massive fees just to find out what is wrong. A basic $5 Bluetooth scanner is the ultimate beginner tool. It gives you the exact diagnostic code the dealership sees. Locate the diagnostic port hidden just under the driver's side dashboard. Every American car built after 1996 has this exact same connection point. Simply plug the small scanning device firmly into the open socket. Turn your vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This powers up the car computer and activates the small device. A glowing light on the scanner means it is ready to transmit data. Open a free diagnostic application on your smartphone and connect to the scanner. The app will quickly communicate with the vehicle brain. Within seconds, it will display a specific diagnostic code right on your screen. Type that exact code into a search engine to find the specific problem. You will usually discover it is a simple fix like a loose gas cap. You just saved yourself a massive diagnostic fee today.